Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial talking about the module which allow a teacher to import scanned tests. In this tutorial we will see how to create a test or to import a custom template and correct it. Here, as we can see, I'm logged as a teacher and I'm on the test panel. I will choose to add a test and choose to encode a printable test. I will be redirected to the creator panel where I have to fill the title and choose at least one skill and enter at least one question. Here I will add 5 questions. After that, I can choose to check or uncheck this button in order to import or not a custom test. Here in this tutorial, I will import a custom test. Now we can validate, and I have to choose my custom test as PDF format. I will be redirected to the first page of my test. It's important to sort your scan and don't mix pages. We want the first page for the test. Now you can choose every answer boxes that you want to add in your template, and you have to choose where the student will add his names. You only have to choose this area only once and only on the first page. Here I will choose this answer and this one, and I have to validate the page. Now we can go to the next page and choose other boxes. If you make mistake, you can revalidate, or you can make the correction and revalidate. It will modify completely the page, so don't worry. Here I validate the page and I go back to the next page, and as we can see, we return to the first page, but we already completed it, so now I can finish and go back to test. Now I can see that the test is created and I can choose to download it. And we can see that it's the correct template. Now I have to import a test that a student completed. We have now to correct the test. We can correct first a question anonymously, so without matching the name with a student. Here I can see that I can check if the answer is correct or wrong, and I can write annotation, but this one is not mandatory. I can now validate and go back to the test. If we want to correct a test for a specific student, we have to match the test with a student in OSCAR. So here is the name in the test, and I can select the corresponding student. After that, I can go back to the test and I can see the progression of the correction. Here I corrected 1 of 5 answers from Stefano. I can click on Stefano to see his own answers, and I can continue my correction. After that, I complete the test, and if I have at least corrected completely one test, I can encode skills. Here we have only one skill and we have to choose if it's mastered or not. As we can see, because we match the name, we have the name of the student above each answers and a square representing the status of the answers. If we want to change annotation, we can go back by selecting an answer and modify an annotation. Well, that's all for the moment. Thank you for your attention.